Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it, and if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notifications of my latest videos. So guys, I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. Your wait is over. I'm presenting today beautiful pixie short haircut ideas with undercut and fashion hair color hairstyles. So guys, let's start the video. I'm showing all the beautiful latest pixie short bob haircut ideas with undercut and fashion haircut. You can see how beautifully girls are carrying these haircut ideas. No doubt, these haircut ideas are really gorgeous that you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting this hairstyle, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime. Like kitty parties, get-togethers, functions. These haircuts will enhance the beauty of yourself. After getting this hairstyle, you will feel like a celebrity. No doubt, these haircuts will improve your personality and make you younger than yourself. These type of haircuts are really modern according to fashion and latest. These pixie bob haircuts with short haircut and fashion hair color are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch. So girls, don't waste your time. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one hair color and haircut with pixie bob undercut haircut and go to your hairstylist and let me know also which haircut you select for yourself and with which hair color. And I hope you like my video and my effort today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and also you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they can also get updated with fashion and trend, because I make video always on fashion and trend. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really mean to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice next. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take care yourself and remember me in your prayer. God bless you all, and again like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care and have a great hair day.